Morning everyone. Kind of a weird one today. Going to work. It's only a couple of days. Why not, eh? God, I've not done building work for years. Now I'm doing it in bloody Chamonix. It's a strange old world, ain't it? But if this lets me travel further or longer, then it's worth it, ain't it? What's happening, everyone? Just got back from my job. Pretty cool. Mixing it up a bit, eh? I think I'm going to work tomorrow as well, and that's it. But bit of money, bit of extra cash. Can he complain? I think the people I've been working for are actually coming down here now, where I'm parked. We're going to have a couple of beers and stuff. I need to have a shower though, because I'm covered in all kinds of got a little bit rained off. Absolutely belting it down now. Just had to crack the umbrella out while we packed the stuff away. Knackered now. Hello everyone. I've been quiet, I know. I'm sorry, I'm alive. But as you can see, I'm up to death. So yeah, but it's done now. It's just 3 days, all sorts of stuff. So that's why it's been a bit quiet on the YouTube front, because every day when I've got back, the sun's been down and obviously my batteries are shit and I've had the fridge on all day. So I've not been able to add enough power to edit. But you know, I said I was concerned about the money. Well, I've pretty much just earned it all back, so it was worth coming back for. So now basically I'm back to as much money as I started with. So it's like I've just had this whole month for free. So yeah, sorry it's been quiet, but that's why. So I am still in Chamonix, but I'm about to move because I fancy a change of scene. Not going far, there's a lake just down there. I want to go dive in it because I'm boiling, I'm filthy. It's been mad, ain't it, how it just spirals when you start meeting people. What started off as a beer out here and then I somehow ended up, well, I've been fitting a flipping roof. Start like I was going to build a wall and that fell through, and I mean not literally fell through, but the plan fell through, and then I ended up building a roof and guttering. I would go swimming here, but it's about 3 inches deep, so not really worth it. Oh, my coffee! Hang on, I've not filmed while I've been working because I didn't see the point really. It's just a pain in the arse, ain't it? So, oh, that's hot.
Search for perfection, but searching isn't finding. Sit back, relax, 'cause searching for things unspoken. We can't hold this token.
So what's happening now, ladies and gentlemen, is me and my instant decisions, as you know. I've decided at 10:30 at night I want to go back to Annecy because I didn't spend enough time there. It's not 10:30 actually, it's 11:10. So that's where I'm driving now. Because why not, mate? Yeah, look, normal lights, big light. Normal lights, big light. Yeah, it's quite bright. Right, I think I might have found my battery problem. Okay, I'm also not too sure exactly how I'm going to fix it because something has actually broken. So I'll show you. I knew there was something wrong because they never used to be this bad. I've only just got round to having a look. Alright, let's turn everything off. Oh. So, I don't know how well you guys can see. You see these terminals here? Yeah? Well, 1, 2, broken. So this end battery isn't even flipping connected! Oh! Okay, so I'm gonna have to try and pull this stuff apart now. Good job I checked that, isn't it? I just had the idea now just to come and have a quick look. Yeah, it's completely sheared off. At least there is a definite problem though. That is good news in some way, because at least it's not just dead. I'm not being a very good cameraman here, am I? Let me just do it and then rather than trying to film it. You can see the issue though, yeah? That's not even connected there. So that's not ideal. I mean, it's an absolute bodge. I don't know if you can see, but it's the best I can do right now, just to connect everything back together. Let's see what the crack is.